In installing Apache into our Ubuntu server, first is to open our terminal. We can install Apache by using this command: sudo apt get install apache 2. Then click enter. Since we are using a sudo command, these operations get executed with root privileges. It will ask you for your regular user's password to verify your intentions. Once you've entered your password, the apt will tell you which packages it plans to install and how much extra disk space they'll take up. So press Y and hit enter to continue, and the installation will proceed. Let's just wait for the installation to be completed. So the installation completed, and that's it. Apache successfully installed on your Ubuntu server. Let's install our MySQL. MySQL is a database management system. Basically, it will organize and provide access to databases where our site can store information. Let's start by typing the apt-get command to ensure all operating system packages are up to date. Type the command sudo apt-get update. Then click enter. Next is to type your sudo password. Then it will process the updates, and let's just wait for the process to be completed. Once the update completed, let us now install our MySQL by using the apt-get install command. Type the commands sudo apt-get install MySQL server. Now, let's just wait for the installation to be completed. When the installation is complete, we want to run a simple security script that will remove some dangerous defaults and lock down access to our database system a little bit. So, start the interactive script by running mysql_secure_installation. You will be asked to enter the password you set for the MySQL root account. Next, you will be asked if you want to configure the validate password plugin. Answer Y for yes, or anything else to continue without enabling. You'll be asked to select a level of password validation. If you enabled password validation, you'll be shown password strength for the existing root password and ask if you want to change the password. If you are happy with your current password, enter N for no at the prompt. For the rest of the questions, You should press Y and hit the Enter key at each prompt. This will remove some anonymous users and the test database. Disable remote root logins and load new rules so that MySQL immediately respects the changes we have made. At this point, your MySQL database system is now set up. To start with our PHP installation, let's run the apt-get update command. In installing the PHP, we're going to include some helper packages as well, so that PHP code can run under the Apache server and talk to our MySQL database. To do that, run this command. It will ask if you want to continue, so just press the Y and hit Enter. Next is to type this command to open the dir.conf file in a text editor with root privileges. In most cases, we will want to modify the way that Apache saves files when a directory is requested. Currently, if a user requests a directory from the server, Apache will first look for a file called index.html. We want to tell our web server to prefer PHP files, so we'll make it Apache look for an index.php file first. Next, press Ctrl X to save and close the file. After this, we need to restart the Apache web server in order for our changes to be recognized. We can do this by typing this command. We can also check on the status of the Apache service using this command sudo systemctl status apache 2. We can see the active running status that indicates that we have successfully installed our packages.